help us with our goals?
What is your goal?
Our true goal is to sell boxes of cookies.
The first thing you need to do in a food sale is be dressed like a Girl Scout.
What's wrong with our clothes?
Boppity cookie.
Wow! Thanks, Cookie Fairy!
You need your booth sale to be pretty.
What's wrong with our booth